Hi, Tasdele, everyone. So today here I'm teaching Jorlog. So Jorlog means a spelling out. So when you are learning a Tibetan language, when you are learning a Tibetan reading, so it is very important to spelling out. So once you do the spelling out, then it's become a more easy to reading. So, so this is a very important, okay? So, firstly, if you are watching new, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So I'm teaching our more important things, and I hope you will not miss it, okay? Okay, so see how to spelling out. I will do it. So first one, 다, 댕보, 대, 파, 대. Okay, 대. So 대 means book. And then second one, sa, mata, ma. Ma, yada, nya. Nya, shubju, nyu. Ka, shubju, ku. Nyuku. So see, firstly you have to read, you have to combine the head letter and main letter and make a sound, and then attach the subscribe or attached letter, and then put the vowels, then make a sound, okay? Okay, and then second one, so nyuku means pen, okay? And the next one, Tao, ga, dingbo, ge. So prefix, first you have to make a sound of prefix with the main letter and then put the vowels, okay? Ge, like this. And then ra, khada, ra, khada, ga. Make a sound with the head letter and main letter, and then ga, na, gain, gain. Okay, so gain. And next one, sa, lada, la, la, naro, lo, pa, lop, pa, rada, cha. Ta, shubju, tu, ka, tuk. So loptu. Loptu means student. Okay. And then next one. Ao, za, kigu, zi, na, zin. Ka, nga, kang, zin, kang. So zinkang means classroom. Okay, the next one. Sa, lada, la. La, naro, lo, pa, lop. Lop. Ka, rada, cha. Ta, wasur, ta. Lop, ta. So lop, ta. Lop, ta means school. Okay, and the next one, rang, nga, rang. Sa, pada, ba. Ba, yada, ja. Ja, naro, jo, nga, jong. Rangjong. So rangjong means self-study. Okay, so rang means self and jong means study. So self-study. Okay, the next one, lop jong. Sa, la, da, la. La, naro, lo, pa, lop. Sa, pada, ba. Ba, yada, ja. Ja, naro, jo, nga, jong. Lop jong. So lobjong means study. Okay, lobjong. And then next one, pao sa kada ga. Okay, pao prefix, sa kada ga. Ga yada gya. Gya shubju gu ra gur. So gur means change or switch something. Okay, so gur. And the next one, ka rada ta. Ta naro to ka sa to. Pa naro po. To po. Tokpo means friends. And the next one, ra kada ga. Ga yada gya. Ka ra car. Gya car. So gya car. Okay. Yakar means India. Next one. Ya nga yang. Pao sa kata ka. Ka yada kya. Ra kyar. Yang kyar. So yang kyar means again. Next one. Pao sa kada ga. Ga rada da. Da kigu di ka sa dik. So dik means arrange something. Okay, so like this, when you spelling out, so firstly you have to make some so you have to go step by step like this. Okay, so firstly see this one, pao, so prefix, and then head letter, sa kada ga. Ga rada da. Da and then vowels. Ga rada da. Da kigu di ka sa dik. Like this. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in next video.